Yeah. See what I mean? Look at that. Actually, this one right here, that one is way up. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the threads before I continue. I don't have a thread chaser, and I am too lazy to go out and drive around look for one, so I just made one. Let me show you. Right now I'm cleaning the threads. Alright, I just cut the slit on there so the dirt will be collected on there. We'll give it a try. This is I think F23 head studs. Huh. Bought them out quick. Man, I hope this is the correct stud. That bad boy is clean.
Hardly anything on there. Yeah, it's clean.
Yeah, threads are clean. Initial is 30, 60 to 90. Maybe I'm just over complicating things, but man. $30. Alright, that's 30. Final torque, 90. This thing is a bit nerve-wracking. I'll give it a few minutes, let it relax, then I'm going to re-torque all of them. Whew. All right. Cool, man. Okay. Next is camshafts. Seals and cam caps. Timing belt. That's it for this motor. Right there. Just line it up. Facing up. We also applied some sealant at the end. Before I go crazy on this, I'm going to remove the cam gears and replace the seal. I'm rotating it as I putting it in. Now that's looking better what it was before. Everyone is different on how to put this on. I always start at the bottom part. Put it like so. And then stretch the belt. I put some paint on the dash line so it'll be a lot visible. I'm going to turn the cam gears, lined it up to the flat face of the cylinder head right here. And from where the belt lands, like so, and I will do the same thing on this side. So I need to turn this, just line it up from where it's going to land. It will be a little bit tight, so let me pull this out a little bit. Like so. Perfect. Line those up together. And for the last time, I'm going to recheck together with the crank. And as you can see, the markings are good. How to set the valve lash: 7,000 on the intake side and 8,000 on the exhaust side. And to recheck, if 8,000 doesn't go in, I'm good. On the exhaust side, 9,000 doesn't go in, I'm good. I already set the number 1 piston on top dead center, and also making sure that the 2 dash line are aligned, and also the crank is good. It's also aligned. And additional verification, if you have a skinny screwdriver, go ahead and stick it on there. Compared to this side, right there, it's good. And also rock the rockers together. If it's loose, you're good. Now we'll go ahead and I'm gonna start on the exhaust side using 8,000. Too tight. It could use some more. Try 7,000. Okay, 7,000 is good. Just a little more. Good. 8,000 goes in. 9,000. Recheck. It doesn't go in. I'm good. And that concludes, my friends, rebuilding the H22a, the block top, using KS Tune balance shaft delete kit that I have added my own personal touch, that I will not be relying solely on this plate, and also the O-ring that's been sandwiched in between the pump and the block to stop the flow of oil, which is 90 psi. That's a lot of pressure, man. So by adding that personal touch, man, rest assured that the owner on this have no worries that the oil will leak through there. It shouldn't be. Just to let you guys know, again, the videos will be limited due to work schedule. That's on hold. We'll see what the 2026 year will bring us. All right? And this is where I conclude this episode, and thank you all for watching, man. Make sure you hit that like button, man. And before totally close this out, I wish everyone that delete their balance shaft system try to put a ATI damper on there, man. In my opinion, under my G23 VTEC project, the last missing piece, man, you would not regret it. It's a must, in my opinion, whenever you delete your balance shaft system. ATI damper, man. The best upgrade that you can ever do on your engine. 8,000 RPM, man. It's like nothing. You can really feel the difference. Bye, everyone.